Welcome to another edition of Little Bikes Tips, or instructional videos, if you will. Today what I want to do for you and illustrate how we put on the battery box on the Z50 K1. So I've already prepared this a little bit. I've got the rectifier already mounted, okay? And make sure you turn the wiring harness or the wires from your rectifier to the back toward the actual battery itself. A lot of times it'll come and it'll be like this, or it'll be like this, or it'll be like this. Make sure it's this direction, because as we get everything installed, we want that wiring to lay away from our left side of it to make a nice cleaner look. Now, I want to tell you this much. We're dealing with a new frame, okay? You're dealing with a new battery box, okay? So I want you to take painter's tape. We use a lot of painter's tape here at Little Bikes, simply because we cover that area that would be a possibility for us just to slip, a screwdriver fall off, we just accidentally bang this into it, chip the paint. We don't want any of that. So we protect and we add a little insurance just because we don't trust ourselves here, basically. So what I want to do is cover this with painter's tape. It comes off real easy, doesn't harm the clear coat, doesn't do anything. So I'm literally going to bring this guy down right into position. Therefore, you can see it's really close to the top, and probably with that new paint and clear coat, you're going to have to wiggle that box in place just a little bit like you see there. My suggestion is to take a punch and then go ahead, and when you get your holes, you line up your holes with that punch. As you can tell, the bottom isn't in yet, and then you'll see it, boom, slide right into place. Now you've got everything lined up. Nothing will fight you. Your screws, your 5mm panhead screws, will go right in. So I'm going to show you that right there. And then these are what come in it from the factory, and you can just then screw this right into place, okay? And it makes a very nice clean look, okay? And then if you feel better about it, I wouldn't wait. I would go ahead, and we're all done with insulation at this point. Then you can reach up here and take your tape off. And that way, nothing gets scratched, nothing gets damaged, and you feel a whole lot better about yourself when you feel like that you haven't tore up anything. So that is the battery box insulation on a Z50 K1. And thank you for joining us. See you next time.